Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best poly gel kit is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly nail enhancement products available today, offering a fantastic alternative to traditional acrylics and gels for both at-home enthusiasts and professional nail technicians seeking durable, beautiful, and customizable nail extensions without the harsh fumes or lengthy application times often associated with other methods. Number 5. MODELONES Gel Top Coat. Discover the ultimate shine with our upgraded gel top coat. It provides a super shiny, long-lasting finish for your nails. This 2026 upgrade offers a superior soak-off experience. Achieve a flawless look without any hassle. Our formula is acid-free and no wipe, ensuring a gentle yet durable coating. Enjoy a clean and professional finish every time. Experience a brilliant, crystal-clear shine that lasts. It's the perfect base and top coat set for salon-quality nails at home. Achieve professional results with this easy-to-apply gel polish. It cures quickly under a nail lamp for a perfect finish. This versatile set acts as both a base and top coat, enhancing the longevity and appearance of your nail color. It's an essential for any nail enthusiast. What we like? Achieve a brilliant, long-lasting shine with this top coat. Its acid-free and no-wipe formula ensures a clean, professional finish every time. If you're looking for that perfect glossy seal for your gel manicures, this is the one for you. What people say? The poly gel itself is very easy to apply and shape. It cures quickly under the UV LED lamp, making the process efficient. The finished nails are strong and durable, with a natural look and feel. Number 4. SAVILAND Gel Nail Kit with Drill. Discover the ultimate all-in-one beginner nail kit. Everything you need for a professional manicure is right here, making salon-quality nails achievable at home. Experience the ease of our 0.5-ounce UV nail glue gels. They provide a smooth, durable base for your gel extensions, ensuring a flawless finish every time. This comprehensive kit includes a powerful lamp designed to cure your gel nails perfectly. Achieve a long-lasting, salon-worthy look with minimal effort. Get creative with 500 long coffin tips, perfect for building beautiful nail extensions. These provide the ideal canvas for your unique designs and styles. Transform your nails without leaving the house. This kit brings the salon experience directly to you, offering convenience and professional results. Surprise the women in your life with this amazing gift. It's the ideal present for anyone who loves doing their nails and desires a professional finish. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything a beginner needs for a salon-quality manicure at home. With the included nail drill, you can achieve professional results with ease. If you're new to nail extensions and want a complete, user-friendly set, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The poly gel kit is easy to use and creates a beautiful, natural-looking nail extension. The gel is self-leveling and doesn't run, making application a breeze. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and accessories for a complete manicure. Number 3. JEWHITENY Poly Extension Gel Nail Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for beautiful, long-lasting nails. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for stunning nail art. Inside, you'll find 14 essential pieces, including poly gel, a slip solution, and a mini lamp. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit makes creating intricate nail designs simple and enjoyable. Express your creativity with ease. Achieve durable and flawless extensions that look and feel natural. Elevate your manicure game with this all-in-one solution. Unleash your inner artist and experiment with various nail art styles. This kit empowers you to create unique and eye-catching looks. Experience the convenience and versatility of poly gel technology. It's the perfect choice for both at-home users and aspiring nail technicians. What we like? Get started with poly gel nails effortlessly with this all-inclusive kit. The included slip solution makes application smooth and easy, perfect for beginners. If you're just starting your poly gel journey and want a convenient set with essential tools, this kit is ideal. What people say? The poly gel is easy to use and self-levels well, making application smooth and even. The kit includes a good variety of colors and glitters, offering plenty of creative options. The finished nails are strong and durable, with no lifting or chipping after a couple of weeks. Number 2. Morovan Nail Slip Solution Kit. Tired of sticky polygel? Our innovative slip solution makes application a breeze. Achieve smooth, even coats every time. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit simplifies the polygel process. It's never been easier to create salon-quality nails at home. Get everything you need in one convenient package. This kit includes the essential slip solution, a dual-ended brush, and nail forms. The anti-stick gel liquid prevents your polygel from clinging to your brush. This allows for precise shaping and sculpting without frustration. Create beautiful, durable polygel nails with ease. Its unique formula ensures a smooth spread and a perfect finish for stunning results. Experience the difference of a formula that spreads effortlessly. This solution helps you achieve the perfect consistency for flawless nail extensions. What we like. This kit features a generous amount of anti-stick solution for seamless polygel application. The dual-ended brush and easy spread formula make sculpting nails a breeze. If you're a beginner or someone who struggles with gel sticking to their tools, this set will make your life much easier. What people say. This polygel kit is a great starter kit for beginners. The polygel is easy to work with and self-levels nicely. The kit comes with everything you need to get started with polygel nails. Number 1. GAOY Polygel Nail Kit. Discover the ultimate at-home manicure solution with our comprehensive polygel nail kit. Everything you need for beautiful, salon-quality nails is right here. This starter kit includes a UV light and 6 builder gel colors, perfect for creating stunning nail extensions. It's designed for beginners, making DIY nail art easy and fun. Achieve flawless extensions with our easy-to-use polygel. You'll love how simple it is to create professional-looking nails right in your own home. No prior experience needed. This kit provides all the essentials for you to begin your nail art journey. Get creative and express yourself with gorgeous nails. From the builder gel to the UV light, this kit has it all. Enjoy the convenience of creating beautiful nail art anytime, anywhere. What we like. This starter kit comes with a UV light and multiple builder gel colors, perfect for DIY nail art. It provides all the essentials for creating beautiful gel extensions. If you love experimenting with different colors and enjoy doing your nails at home, this kit offers great value and versatility. What people say. The polygel itself is very easy to apply and shape. The kit comes with a good variety of colors and glitters. The curing lamp is powerful and cures the gel quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.